Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So sorry for the little delay. It's been a few weeks since I last updated or uploaded a video. Had some new additions to the shop. Got me a 1-ton arbor press. Got me my die in. So, as you see, I got some leather in the mail. Actually, this is my first order online. Usually get all my leather from Tandy here locally. Let's check this thing out. See the waxes and the oils on it. Just gotta do a little buffing on it. It'll dissipate those off the top layer there. Get that shine, man. Heck yeah, Maverick. So I got this stuff. I'm gonna be making some bookcases. Should make some nice wallets. This is a 4 to 5 ounce. Ooh-wee. This is my first order from online, so I'm pretty stoked about this. Getting this kind of quality. Yeah. The point to this video is a front pocket wallet. Added some super slick bridle. Let's get her done. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my piece of, this is a 140 pound, it's actually a watercolor paper. So what I'm going to do now is I got just some spray adhesive. And I am just going to spray the back of my paper here. And spray this guy. All right, now grab a roller cutter here. Probably could have put this on the edge and save some paper, but we're going with it. Oops. All right, so now we've got this guy set up, glued on our 140 pound paper. So now we can cut these out. So you got those cut out. Next thing is grab some leather and cut these out. First, let's clean this up. And just put this little bump edge up there. It allows you to get a super accurate cut. So get this back lined up with that guy. Jig back on here, get this guy centered. And that guy up. Ruler up. Take my beveler, just bevel these edges. Smoky. Sorry guys, that's my dog squeaking with his toy. You go play with him. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of token roll on top. I got plenty of this stuff, so I'm just going to cut out a small piece here. Canvas again. Cool. Okay, that guy's done. Yeah, I think so. Definitely in the future, I'm gonna. It's kind of hard to keep that line there. The ink, I mean, sorry, the dye kind of went off the edge there just a touch. I want to get these. Basically, it's like a clear marker, and you just add your own dye to it. I need to order some on Amazon. I actually found those through. I heard about those through Little King Goods, and then I think I seen somebody else use them, but I need to hop on there and check those out. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just glue this outside edge here, get these together, and sort of put this cap on so I don't get it everywhere. I'm just gonna rough these edges up just a touch. All right, let's let that dry. Okay, so I got these guys glued. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put these guys together. Use this guy. Got a little piece here I need to cut off. There. Sorry, camera died there. All right, so I got the little chunk cut off here. Now I'm going to use a piece. I got some 220 here. I'm just going to clean up all my edges before I do my stitch line. And we'll get this stitched up on the machine. Pretty good. Now what I'm going to do is take some Tokonol and put it on these edges, and then we'll there we go. front pocket wallet. So I'll have 3 different versions up there. I'll have the chromatic seal, this brown, and then this chestnut color. All right, guys, I'll see you again soon. Thanks for stopping by. Peace.